$100 investment into $1 million may sound like a pipe dream, but with the right strategies and a commitment to long-term financial growth, it is possible. While there are no guarantees in the world of investing, there are ways to maximize your chances of success. In this video, we'll explore 8 simple ways to invest $100 and potentially watch it grow into a substantial sum over time. Start with a high-interest savings account. While a high-interest savings account won't make you a millionaire overnight, it's an excellent place to begin. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow steadily over time. Look for accounts with no monthly fees and compounding interest to make the most of your initial $100. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is one of the most accessible ways to grow your wealth over the long term. Consider purchasing shares of established companies or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer diversification. Over time, your investments can appreciate significantly, potentially turning your $100 into a much larger sum. Embrace robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that make investing easier for beginners. They use algorithms to create a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Many robo-advisors allow you to start with as little as $100, making it a great option for those just getting started. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained widespread attention as alternative investments. While they are highly volatile, they have the potential for significant returns. Start small with $100, and consider holding your investments for the long term to ride out market fluctuations. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend your money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. By diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers, you can spread the risk and potentially earn a higher return on your $100 investment. Explore real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate properties with relatively small amounts of money. Your $100 can be pooled with other investors to purchase income-generating properties. Over time, rental income and property appreciation can lead to substantial gains. Contribute to a retirement account. If you're looking for long-term wealth building, consider opening a retirement account like an individual retirement account, IRA, or a Roth IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help your $100 investment grow significantly over the years. Invest in your skills and education. Investing in yourself is one of the most powerful ways to increase your earning potential and accumulate wealth. Use your $100 to enroll in an online course, buy educational books, or attend workshops that can enhance your skills and open up new career opportunities.